Hi WordPress users. Do you want to install Amelia in your WordPress site? For your information, Amelia is a simple yet powerful automated booking specialist, working 24/7 to make sure your customers can book appointments or events and pay online even while you sleep. If you want to install Amelia plugin, download plugin zip file for official site. We have mentioned official site links in our video description. Now, go to WordPress dashboard and hover over on the plugin menu and click the Add New button. Now, upload plugin zip file here and click Upload button. Now click on the Activate button. That's it, you have successfully installed Amelia WordPress booking plugin in your site. We will create tutorials for this Amelia plugin on upcoming days. Stay tuned. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to get more update on Amelia tutorials and technical videos.